So today I'd like to show you shoot thinning. Why we do shoot thinning is there are some reasons. So like pruning, we can control the yield by leave the number of the buds on the cane as the pruning, which can limit the number of the potential bunches we get as the harvest. So shoot thinning is the second stage of control the yield by reducing the number of the shoots from the canes. So as the shoots are grown, and now we can see inflorescence. So this is inflorescence. So this is gonna be flowering and become bunches later on. So now, as we can see inflorescence, potential bunch. So we can remove the shoot and reduce the number of the inflorescence to control the yield. And you can also make space between the shoot by shoot thinning. It can help better airflow to prevent fungal disease and also provide better sunlight penetration inside the canopy, which can help fruit set, better fruit set and bud formation later on. So by reducing the number of shoots from the cane, which gives more nutrient and water to the remaining shoot to support for their growth. So firstly, you could count the number of inflorescence on this vine, and you can decide how much you remove the inflorescence to reduce the yield. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 inflorescence on this vine. So, but some of the shoots are still young and short, and they haven't got inflorescence. So let's say we got 30 inflorescence at the moment. So we are reducing the number of inflorescence from 30 down to 20. So I normally start doing shoot thinning from the head of the trunk, and you can see this is a replacement spur. So these shoots coming from this replacement spur, they are used for the canes at the pruning next year. So don't remove these shoots and leave them until next year at the pruning. And I normally remove, this is water shoot. The water shoot doesn't have the fruit, so we don't need this one. And this one. So I normally leave 3 or 4 shoots around the head of the trunk. So next here, shoots were grown, and we can use these shoots for the next year's cane at the pruning. And then you can focus on the cane. So easy way for the shoot thinning is remove the shoots which come from the lower side of the cane. So remove this one and remove this one, making the good space between the shoot. So ideally 200 space. So from the previous video of the pruning, internode length is 100 space. So now I remove these shoots, making 200 space. So this is a good space between the shoots. So do same thing from the other side of the cane. So remove shoot come from underneath. So have a look at this one. There are 2 shoots coming out from one bud. So this is primary shoot and this is secondary shoot. Actually the bud contains 3 shoots, and this is primary, this is secondary. Secondary shoot has normally less fruits, and primary shoot has more fruits and growing faster and stronger. so you can remove secondary shoot. So here the cane and another cane, so these shoots are crossing, and here there are some fungal disease we can find later on, so remove the one of the shoot and making a space to prevent fungal disease. And now we can recount the number of inflorescence. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it's good. It's very close to the target of our yield. And this one will have another inflorescence, so it's around 20. So now this vine got a good space between the shoots, and especially head of the trunk. There are lots of water shoots sometimes coming out, so we reduce down to 3 or 4 shoots around the head of the trunk. So this is all about shoot thinning. I hope this video helped your study.